One of the things that I'll show is that we kind of did this, and we're going to rename the project and rename a few things just to see that these changes are reflected in Sierra Chart. Now that will close off this presentation. I'm going to move this window down here so it doesn't bother our source. And here are the oops, sorry about that. Got caught. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the project name. Okay, so if I change the project name, okay, I'm going to call this demo. Just give it any old name. Okay, and now I'm going to go and build this thing again. Okay, you can already see here that it created for me demo lib, and down here it created demo.dll. Okay, that is because before, when we were out here, we told a linker that the name of the output is going to be project name.dll. So if we change the name of the project, it also creates a new DLL for us. If I go into Sierra Chart and I hit analysis again, studies, add custom study, we can see now that we have two of these in this list. Why do we have two? One is because we have demo.dll. The second one is because we still have scstudies.dll there. Okay, it's just in the directory. If I went here and deleted the scstudies because we don't need it anymore, okay, we're just left with demo, then obviously that will disappear from here. Okay, just one. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to change the DLL name. Currently it's my studies file name, so I'm going to change this to demo DLL, and I will also change the name of the study while I'm at it and call it demo study 1, and this is the description. This is a demo study. And after each time I make a change like this, I go back in and I build. And after I build, I want to see that my changes have been reflected in Sierra Chart. So I go back here. I'm going to open up studies again. I will add a custom study. And this time I see that the name has been changed to demo DLL here. There's a file, a physical file called demo.dll. And I have a study by the name of demo study.1. And this is a study demo. This is a demo study, sorry. I can basically add this study to the chart. It's going to look like this. This current study doesn't have anything in it. Okay, there's just no subgraphs, no inputs. It doesn't do anything. Nothing interesting happening there. One thing to note is that here you can see the DLL name.function name right here. You can see that you have here also the name of the DLL and then the name of the function, the actual function name within the code. I'm going to talk a bit more about this function name in the next few videos, but just as a minor note that you can see that there as well. Sometimes we need that just to see it. Okay, so I'm going to close this off. We're going to close this off. Let's see if we missed anything. We renamed, we compiled, we built, we saw the compiled project, we created the template, and so on. So we're good to go from here. That's it for now. We have a working project. We are able to compile it, build it, load it in Sierra Chart, change the names, and see where these names get reflected in Sierra Chart, and so on. I will be following up with this video on the next topics about the anatomy of the project and how to debug these projects and a bunch of other exciting topics. So looking forward to seeing you there. Bye bye.